This week in Linux news, Omarchy Quattro is finally here. So what exactly changed? Let's talk about it. Linux news on Tuesday. News about Linux and it's on Tuesday. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you've been following the Linux desktop scene, you probably heard about Omarchy. Well, Omarchy Quattro is finally here. This is probably the biggest change Omarchy has seen since the project started. So what exactly changed? Let's talk about it. First, for anyone new to Omarchy, it's a Linux desktop environment built around Arch Linux and Hyprland with a very opinionated approach to how a modern Linux desktop should work. Instead of installing Arch and spending hours configuring everything yourself, Omarchy gives you a ready-to-use system with a lot of those decisions already made for you. And that's part of its appeal to a growing user base. They say the install is very fast, so I gave it a shot and I was able to finish the install in below 3 minutes. Crazy. Comment below if you want to see a deeper dive on my experience using Omarchy as my daily driver. In the previous versions of Omarchy, different pieces of the desktop were handled by different applications. Omarchy Quattro replaces many of the separate components with a single long-running quick shell-based desktop shell. And this is where Quattro gets interesting. Omarchy is trying to take a different approach. Instead of having a collection of unrelated tools that happens to work together, Quattro is moving toward a more unified desktop experience. It's almost like Omarchy is saying, we're not just giving you Linux, we're giving you an opinionated desktop. Alright guys, we're going to read some tweets from DHH regarding Omarchy. DHH is the maker of Omarchy. Omarchy's Quattro's code base is 4 times the size of the 3 series, thanks largely to 4,000 lines of quick shells QML, but the overall system is just quarter of the code it was before, because we've dropped a bajillion dependencies and ISO is 20% smaller install up to 40% faster. Here are some key features of Omarchy Quattro. We have the beautiful theme, fresh greeting key bindings and dictionary, header, a terminal workspace manager, 3 bespoke apps, Codex app for OpenAI, Crash Watcher, tracker for Claude or Codex usage, built-in control panel for Tailscale, new network panel, a nice glow up for your weather widget. Now there's one important thing to know. If you're already running Omarchy 3X, upgrading to Quattro is considered one-way trip. So before you hit the upgrade button, make sure your important files and configurations are backed up. What do you think about Omarchy Quattro? Would you try it or are you sticking with your current Linux setup? Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye!